What is up, guys? We're actually in my room. We're actually in here to do like a setup slash room tour. So there'll be a couple things that I'll have, or most of the things I'll have linked in the description, but without further ado, let's get started. So at first glance, this is like where I would walk in, or anybody would walk in to come into my room this way. So being from the door right to the left, this is my 43-inch Samsung UHD smart TV. I actually just got it a week ago. I have it sitting on top of this drawer from IKEA, and then I just have the normal RGB lights behind it with this canvas thing my girlfriend got me for Christmas. And then normally, if you were basically, I'm standing at the door, and if you pan over, this is my bed. Don't mind that because we just spackled that. So pretty much this is the main setup everybody wants to see. We have a black lemon tabletop on top of two Alex drawers, one there, one over there. And then obviously right here, this headphone hanger, we have the HyperX Cloud Stinger, I want to say, and then these are the Corsair open back headphones. And then pretty much I just have like random miscellaneous stuff in the store, like batteries, remotes for the RGB lights, games that nobody plays on disc anymore, tissues because you don't know when you're gonna cry, cables, and then my 360. And then this right here is HP laptop. Pretty much do like editing and stuff on, because I'm actually about to get an Elgato HD60 pretty soon. That way I can stream off of here. And then this is just a picture, and then GoPro with the light in the stand, tripod, and then the GoPro with the suction cup. A little Star Wars figure. Extended mouse pad for the laptop, that way the laptop doesn't move back and forth. Have my custom controller sitting on it right now. It has my gamer tag on it. It's kind of really hard to see because it's all black. There you go, it's kind of better. You can see it right there. Then my Xbox One S with the salt lamp. And then like in the drawers over here, I just have like miscellaneous stuff or whatnot in there, like cords. And then this right here is the curved MSI gaming monitor. The resolution's like right under 4K. Don't remember the exact specs. I'll have everything listed in the description. And then pretty much what makes the thing is the RGB lights, and then the Nanoleaf Aurora lights. I actually got them used off of somebody for like stupid price. It's like half the price of what they normally go for online. And then it actually makes the room a lot better. I used to have my setup over here. You can see that's why the drywall marks are there, and the sound foam is there. I might put some in the corner over there. I'm not exactly sure, but pretty much this is what I'll be doing most of the time, or what I already do most of the time. It's pretty nice setup we got going on here. I want to try and get another one of these monitors and another Xbox. So normally I just console game, so I want to put them like right next to each other. That way me and whoever, or my girlfriend, whatever, we can just play side by side. Because if you ever play split screen on a TV this size, or a monitor this size, it's kind of hard to do so. And then shout out to all the people that watch 3,218, 2 million some views. Subscribe. And then if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, definitely follow me, because I'll be posting a whole bunch of other stuff. And then I also just got this 4-port USB hub too. That'll actually help out a lot with downloading stuff and charging and doing other stuff. But other than that, that's pretty much it. And then I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.